Westermans here with a 300 kilo welding positioner with a hole through of 305mm. The chuck itself is a 600 chuck. Comes with variable speed, foot control, pendant, digital display and forwards and reverse. The actual foot control, press for on, release for stop, press again, release for stop in both directions. You can of course keep it continually going if required in both directions. Now we'll try with a manual tilt. Straightforward one handle, you can see, nice and easy for tilt over. These machines are available from stock. Please look at westermans.com for more details and request prices, or email welding@westermans. Thank you for looking.